This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dina Grandi. Craftsman home in a resort-style golf community of Brickshire. Beautifully maintained 3-level home in a cul-de-sac on 3/4+ acre private wooded lot. Open floor plan with updated kitchen opens to family room and dining room, great for entertaining. Exit to the screened-in porch and enjoy the views, no neighbors behind you. Check out the custom storage shed and play area for the kids. The second floor has an oversized primary bedroom with custom walk-in closets and deluxe bath, plus 3 spacious bedrooms. The third floor flex area can be used as a bedroom suite, home office, etc. Easy access I-264. For more information, review the details below.